All right, no more big picture, no more concepts. This episode is about one thing only. What do you actually do? Because information without action is just entertainment. And I don't want you entertained. I want you equipped. So here's your AI starter kit, built specifically for small business owners. I'm going to keep this simple. 3 categories. 1 tool per category to start. You don't need 20 tools. You need 3 tools you actually use. Ready? Category 1, content creation. If you're spending hours writing social media posts, emails, blogs, or scripts, this is where AI saves you the most time, fastest. The tool most people already know is ChatGPT. But here's how most people use it wrong. They type, "Write me a social media post," and they get something generic, cold, unusable. The right way? Give it context. I run a bakery in Solvang. My audience is local families. Write 3 Instagram captions for a weekend special on sourdough bread. Keep it warm, friendly, and end with a question. That's a prompt, not a command. The more specific you are, the better the output. Think of AI like a new employee. It needs direction, it needs context, and it gets better the more you work with it. Category 2, customer communication. If you're answering the same questions over and over, what are your hours? Do you offer this? What's your return policy? There's a better way. AI chatbots like Tidio, ManyChat, or even a simple ChatGPT-powered bot can handle your FAQ responses automatically. You set it up once, and it works around the clock. This isn't about removing the human touch. It's about making sure customers always get a fast response, even when you're asleep, in a meeting, or just living your life. Faster response equals more trust equals more sales. Category 3, visual content and video. This one's growing fast. Tools like HeyGen let you create professional-looking AI video content without cameras, crews, or studios. Tools like CapCut help you edit and repurpose that content into shorts, reels, and clips in minutes. Tools like 11 Labs let you clone or generate voices for voiceovers. You don't need a production budget anymore. You need a system. Record once. Repurpose many times. Let AI handle the heavy lifting. One piece of long-form content becomes a YouTube video, 5 to 10 short clips, 3 quotes for Instagram, a newsletter, and a blog post. That's 1 hour of work becoming a week of content. So where do you start? Pick one problem you deal with every week. Just one. Is it writing social captions? Start with ChatGPT. Is it answering the same customer questions? Set up a simple chatbot. Is it creating video content? Try HeyGen for your first script. Don't try to automate everything at once. Start small. Get comfortable. Then expand. The businesses winning with AI right now didn't start with a master plan. They started with one thing. And then they kept going. That's a wrap on our 4-episode series, AI for the Rest of Us. We covered the big picture, the 5 shifts, the job question, and the practical starting point. When we started this series, I asked you to imagine AI as electricity. Quiet, foundational, easy to underestimate until you understand what it actually powers. You've seen the shifts already happening. You've faced the job question honestly, and now you have an actual starter kit sitting in your hands. That's not nothing. That's a real head start. But this isn't the end. AI is evolving fast, and so is this channel. If you got value from this series, subscribe, share it with someone who needs it, and drop a comment telling me what AI topic you want covered next. Because this community, it's just getting started. I'm Jessie, and this is RepurVue Podcast. I'll see you in the next one.